welcome back to our channel.
I'm Taylor.
I'm Maddie.
And we've got a great workout for you today. So
it is a full body EMOM workout.
If you don't know what EMOM is, it means every minute on the minute. So for each workout, you're going to do either a certain number of reps of a workout or for 45 seconds, and then you take the rest of that minute to rest and get ready for the next workout. So EMOM is what you call it.
Every minute on the minute. A couple of things that we wanted to remind you of or make you aware of while you're doing these workouts. The first of them is the weights that we use in our videos. We don't use the weights that we're recommending for you or the weights that we necessarily use for the workouts. We just use a generic weight to get the form down and show you how it's done. So
with that, you can go up in weights, you can go down in weights. If you don't understand the form, let us know, but if you're lacking on your form, then just try with no weights at all. And always, like we've said before, keep your core tight.
Strong core.
Once again, pay attention to form, don't rush through the workout, but push yourself. And I think you're really gonna like it. It's a good one. It gets your heartbeat up, it gets you sweaty.
They're so fun. It's kind of a type of HIIT workout, I would say. And so it's really good for fat burning.
There's 4 circuits, each circuit is 12 minutes, and then there's a 5-minute challenge at the end. So this is under an hour, and it's a good one.
Yeah, and try not to press pause on your timer ever, because that is when you will break a sweat.
Enjoy the workout, let us know if you have any questions, and here's our full body workout.